air raid siren.
Who's that?
It's a warning.
For what?
The whole city.
Are you fucking kidding me?
We got an air raid siren going off in Vancouver right now.
Ew, what the hell is that?
March 24th, 2020. The whole city is under warning.